Hello everyone, it's Hannah on FaithsGoodWorks, and I am back with another video. This one is how to do dip powder part 2. The first one I did, it was when I was just starting out doing dip powder. This I have done a lot more, so I thought I should do a video with me being a lot more experienced and with having a hand roll. So let's get started. So the color I used was Something Like a Hot by ASP, and this is a really bright red color. Step 1 is a nail primer, which is like a dehydrator. This step, you just put it all over your nail and don't even worry about it getting on your skin because it soaks right in. Step 2, nail base and top coat. So for this step, you really do need to be precise with this because this is actually like normal nail polish. And if you really get it all over your skin, all that acrylic is going to go on your skin and it's going to look not as good. I used a soft blush brush to knock off the excess dip powder on top of the nail. So now what you're supposed to do is put another layer of the clear base on top coat, or step 2. So that you can dip it into the powder again. And don't be alarmed if the first time you do it, it's really horrible like mine was, because when you dip it in the second time, it looks perfect and amazing, and you're going to be really happy with it. Once you have dipped your nail in for the second time, you can put your step 2 nail base and top coat on over top of it, and then immediately after follow it with gel activator, which hardens it like a rock, and if you don't use it, it probably will stay soft and you can knock it like normal nail polish would. Alright, so what you do now is you're going to get a nail file. I'm using the Revlon metal, and what you do is you just shape your nail again. I normally do it as well afterwards, even though I've already shaped my nail, because it normally gets kind of jaggedy from the dip powder. And here was where I was really happy to get this drill. I mentioned it in the beginning of the video. This helps so much. Instead of using your nail file to make it smooth, I can now just use a drill, and it does really, really, really nice. Again, I'm using the drill, but this time I'm using the buffer tip, and it works really, really nice as well. So this next step is using just a normal nail polish top coat, and I'm using the OPI. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe by clicking my picture on the right hand side, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified when more videos come out. And if you want to see another video, you can just click that video right beside my picture. So thank you guys so much for watching my video, and have a very blessed Merry Christmas.